Hello everybody. It's a good day. Getting ready to get the 81 Chevy all dusted off and ready for the weekly cruise. I just happened to look over. The neighbors have decorated for Blowie Day. But anyway, back to the task at hand. Notice the haze. Get the California duster going, and I'll come back here in a little bit to show the after. And by the way, that's still the same California duster I revived. I'll leave a link in the video description to see how long ago that was, but it's still working fine and can't complain about that. Also might notice something out there. Yes, indeed, the Tundra is home. The lease was up at the old office, so I lost the parking spot up there, so got it here. I can play with the Tundra here. I know I've got to do a little bit of things to it. Well, one thing, the tailgate latch is broken, so I'll be replacing that. Haven't driven the 04 in about 2 weeks, so I'm going to throw the battery charger on it because I'm going to need to use it tomorrow. Get on the 81 and get that knocked out and be ready to drive it first thing in the morning. Well, I guess I do need to start that up anyway tomorrow because I got to get that out to get the 81 out. So of course I need to use it tomorrow. A long while later, all tidied up and ready to go. So once again, this is just a random update. A little bit of vehicle update. Thank you for watching.